In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the vehicle speed sensor that sits right on top of your transmission on this Ford Excursion. Let's get started. Reaching up on top of the transmission, towards the front of it, you'll see the sensor right here. I'm going to start by unplugging it. There's a couple tabs that you need to pry on. I'm using a pick to help pry on the one on the right and my finger on the left side just to unhook it. Pull this off and set the connector aside. This is an 8mm bolt that you'll have to remove in order to unbolt the sensor from the transmission. So put a socket and ratchet on there, or a wrench, whatever fits. Break it free. Remove the bolt all the way. There it is. Set that aside. All right, if you come in from the back side with a screwdriver and pry it up, that should allow you to pop it out of its spot. Now push these hoses out of the way, lift it up, make sure there's no debris around it, and there it is. Take a rag and just clean up the mounting area where the sensor goes to make sure that it's going to slide in all the way when you put it in. And speaking of, take that new sensor. I recommend putting a little bit of transmission fluid on there, or whatever you have that'll lubricate it. Slide it in the transmission, make sure it's facing the right way. Press it down all the way. Now you're going to want to press this down, and I'm going to use a pry bar press right here very gently. I just want to get that O-ring to seat. I don't want to have to do it with the bolt because that can actually cause it to go sideways. All right, there it goes. Now you'll want to put the bolt back in, but of course make sure that the bolt hole lines up first. Okay. Let's reinstall the bolt now once you've made sure that everything's lined up. Bring your ratchet back up here, whatever tool you were using, and let's tighten it down. That's bottomed out. I'm just going to give it a little extra. That's plenty tight right there. Remove the tool. Let's plug it back in. Bring the connector up. Make sure it's facing the right way. And slide it on until it locks in. Just like that. Pull on it just to make sure that's locked in and the sensor's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.